If you want to quit smoking, you should consider putting this piece of plastic in your mouth for 8 months and see what happens. So smoking is bad. Let's just put that out there. It can cause all sorts of problems for your teeth, like staining, bad breath, gum disease. So how in the world can clear aligners, these clear plastic trays that help straighten your teeth, be connected to helping somebody quit smoking? My name is Dr. Avi. I'm a retired dentist and entrepreneur. In this video, I'm going to map out the 3 benefits that you will have when you wear aligners that will help you quit smoking. So benefit 1 is what's called the distraction power. Imagine like quitting smoking is like stopping a fun but not so healthy game that you used to play. Smoking is that game. You feel comfortable, kind of like you have a security blanket. And now think of aligners as a cool new game that you can play with your mouth. Stay with me, I'll make it make sense. So when you have aligners in your mouth, it's kind of like a mouth guard. You can't smoke with them in because they take up a lot of space. So people who want to quit smoking might use aligners as a fun way to keep their mouths busy. It's like having a puzzle to solve or chewing gum. It takes your mind off of smoking and actually helps make quitting easier. This is actually a form of replacement therapy, and it works. Replacement therapy means finding fun and healthy things to do instead of the act of smoking, which can help you quit and stay away from cigarettes. Aligners could be a great option for this. The second benefit in the plastic plan is the physical barrier. So imagine if you wanted to play a video game, but your controller had a big weird cover on it. It'd be a lot harder to play that game, right? So aligners are kind of like that cover, but for smoking. When you wear the aligners, it creates a physical barrier between your teeth and the cigarettes. So when you light up a cigarette and you put it in your mouth, it becomes kind of tricky. This can also make smoking less enjoyable because there's something in your mouth, and you're probably not gonna get the same effects that you used to from a physical standpoint. And so when something's not fun, you're less likely to do it, right? So you can look at aligners as being this plastic roadblock that can help you quit smoking. Now, before we move forward in the video, please comment below with your thoughts. I would love to know if you think this would actually work or if you've done it yourself. Maybe you have some other tips on how people can quit smoking. Drop them below. Now, the third benefit to the plastic plan is oral health awareness. Imagine you have a vision prescription. It's really hard to see things without your glasses or contacts, right? Sorry, I'm like trying to see what's going on here. Now think of aligners as a special pair of glasses that help you see things that you didn't notice before. Kind of like this. So when you're on an aligner plan, you learn a lot about taking care of your teeth during this journey. And you need to keep your teeth clean for the aligners to actually work properly. Here's where smoking comes in. Smoking can stain your teeth and turn them into a yellowish, brownish color. Yeah. When you're wearing the aligners, they can get stained too. So you should not be smoking when you have your aligners in. Maybe this reminder alone can make you more aware of the impact that smoking is having on your oral health. Kind of like an accountability buddy. Some people might think, wow, smoking is making my teeth look really bad, and I can see that because my aligners are yellow and brown now. If this is what my aligners look like, I can only imagine what my teeth are looking like. Maybe I should cut down or quit altogether. That is the example of a reaction that a lot of patients have. Maybe it's something you might have too. So if you remotely value your smile, maybe these are good reasons for you to quit. A lot of people think that the amount they smoke isn't that bad when they're comparing to other people who have really bad smoking habits. But when you have plastic in your mouth and you see the effect that little bit of smoking can have on it, it's pretty gross. So in a nutshell, aligners aren't just for straightening teeth. They can also be helpful tools for people to quit smoking. So look at aligners as a double win. It gets you a straighter smile and it's a healthier choice than smoking. If you enjoyed this video or found it valuable at all, you're gonna love this video. You need to watch it. I'll see you in there.